How to remove transaction history from Paytm. First, open the Paytm application and tap on the bell icon on the right side. Then, simply tap on the option that appears. If you want to delete any transaction messages, select the particular message you want to delete. For example, choose a message and tap on the delete option located at the top right. Once you tap this option, the selected transaction history message will be deleted from the notification section. If you want to delete your balance history, tap on the Balance and History option. On this page, you cannot delete any payment history directly, but you can contact Paytm support for assistance. To do this, tap on the particular transaction history you wish to delete, then click on the Help option. From here, you can contact Paytm support to request the deletion of your transaction history. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.